With question number 22, it says y is at most 2 units from A. Right, when you are looking to interpret this into an absolute value inequality, you need to identify the 3 elements. There's 2 coordinates and a distance in this problem. So y, 2, and A. Those are your 3 elements. And so the first thing is to determine which one's the distance and which one is your set of coordinates. So when you look at this, which one of these is going to be your distance? It's 2 units from, so this tells you that this is your distance, and that means y and A are going to be your coordinates. So when you set up your absolute value inequality, you take the absolute value of the difference of the coordinates, you compare them to the distance, which in this case is 2, and now you just use the wording and the phrasing in order to decide what the correct inequality is. So at most 2 units. So can this distance between these two be greater than 2? If it's at most 2 units? Can it be less than 2? Yeah. Can it equal 2? Yeah. And so that becomes your answer. Right. So when you're submitting these online, again, it's the vertical bar key on your keyboard, which is shift and then the backslash right above the enter key. And then y minus A, same vertical bar, less than or equal to 2. So this is how you would enter that online. Now, there's another way that you could have answered this. It doesn't matter which order you put the coordinates. So we could have taken the absolute value of A minus y is less than or equal to 2. And so that would work as well.